I thought it'd be fun to do a quick winter update on my lawn. Things are still green. It is December 10th, I believe. Look at how green this Kentucky bluegrass is yet. One thing that I like about this time of year, while the grass is just starting to go dormant, but it's not quite lost its color yet. The neighbors across the street have lost their color, but I put down late fertilizer, which really helps keep its green. So you can see, this time of year is really good to identify your different types of grass that you have in your lawn. So this is primarily Kentucky bluegrass, since this is the only thing that I seeded with last year. You can see it's really easy to tell at this short height, once things start going dormant, what type of grass it is, because the grass does look different throughout different times of the year. So you can just see the texture there. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the dogs going nuts. You can see the different color and texture of different grass types this time of year. So this is Kentucky bluegrass that I reseeded in this part the year before. I'll just give you an overview of the backyard. This is my hodgepodge lawn, which is just a mix of everything. We'll get up close here and you can kind of see what's going on. So I know I've got bent grass right here. Now look at the texture difference here. This stuff is really thin and wispy. It's tall for the bent grass type, but you can see how shallow the roots are when I pull up like that. This is technically weed in this lawn. It needs to go. So I'm probably going to do something with this whole backyard next year, hopefully. So yeah, you can just sort of see, here's some more bent grass, and bent grass definitely looks different this time of year when it does like in the late spring or summer. So it's kind of thinning out here. You can see it mixed in with the snow. I'll show you a couple other grass types that I think might be fine fescues and everything. These are dog spots. Look how thick the blades are here. This is, I believe, a tall fescue. And I see how it's kind of clumping like this. The grass blades are thicker. Moving right next door, here's a tiny little clump. I'm sure some of this is probably undesirable turf types or weeds such as POA or something possibly. So that's something that needs to go, and you can just see the color. Certain grass types lose its color quicker than others. Like in the back corner there, it stays a little bit darker than it does over by this grass type. So you see that little clump right there. I think this is a weed. It's clumpy. The color is not consistent with the other grass around it. So this is a little bit thicker. It's more of an emerald green, and this is more of, I guess, I don't know what color you'd call that, but it's a different shade of green from what you can see. Everything's kind of matted down as well. So this is the part of the lawn that I want to redo because you can see how nasty. It's just a patchy mess. Like this right here. It does not match that grass. You see that? This stuff looks okay to me. I don't necessarily like that. And it all goes dormant and changes colors and requires different frequency of mowing to keep it all looking good. So I just want something that's consistent. Anyway, just a thought for you guys for this time of year. If you want to get out into your lawn before that's completely covered in snow, now's the time to do it. Just get down low, try to identify what this is. For example, here we've got stuff that's kind of straw-like and thick. This is a clumping tall fescue. Definitely a weed. See how thick that is? We're gonna kill that off next year. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps you kind of identify your grass and see what kind of problems we've got. It is late December in zone 5B, or early December 5B up north in the Midwest, so the grass growing season's done for now. And we're not going to mow until probably April now at this point. Hope this helped. If you got any comments, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them as I can. Until next time, thanks for watching.